Hi everyone, in this video I will be talking about Accenture document doubts. A lot of candidates are having a lot of doubts regarding the mismatch of the documents, regarding the document verification spelling errors, or the documents which will be required for the document verification, and they should in the correct order, so it should not create any problem in onboarding. Okay, so let's start. First of all, the most important document I will talk about, that is your PAN card. Okay, this is the most important document, and in your PAN card, if anything is missing, anything is not updated, this document should be correct. Okay, you can submit it for correction. Okay, right now it is not like that Accenture is asking you to re-upload the PAN card, or you got the document verification. You already know that there are some mistakes in your PAN card. You are avoiding it, and currently you have time. Okay, submit your PAN card for the verification within like 10 to 15 days. The online PAN card will come. Okay, and within 1 month the physical copy will also come to your address. Okay, so it will only take like 10 to 15 days for the online copy original, and 1 month for the physical copy. PAN card is the most important document for Accenture. Okay, apart from this, for other documents some mistakes can be avoided, but this document should be proper framed and fine. Okay, so this will be the your most important document for Accenture. Then there is application name and date of birth. What is this? See, if you have submitted the application of Accenture and now you got the workday mail, the important thing is whatever the name you have written in your application, that should be aligned with the PAN card. Whatever the date of birth you have written in your application, that should be aligned with your PAN card. Okay, and photo verification automatically the company will do with your PAN card. If the verification got failed, then they will ask you additional photo updation or photos from you. Okay, so it is not a big deal, but these two things are the most important. Your name and date of birth should match, otherwise there are chances you will be getting the identity verification rejection. Identity verification rejection. Okay, this kind of rejection you can face from Accenture. Yes, you will be having the time to submit the corrected one, but definitely it will delay the things, it will create problems for you. So these things should be correct. Semester mark sheet and PAN name, again a important thing. So Accenture first ask the semester mark sheet. Okay, so what you can submit is you can submit your final mark sheet. Okay, final semester mark sheet in which all the semester marks are there. Okay, if you don't have this kind of mark sheet, then individual mark sheet till your first semester to eighth semester. Okay, and you can combine them, or I think you should have the final mark sheet, whatever it is. Okay, so it should be there. Okay, also one important thing is in the semester mark sheet, the name should be same as PAN. Okay, so if your mark sheet name is not same as PAN card, this can create a problem. For an example, let's take my example. On my PAN card, if my name is Praful Sharma, okay, on my mark sheet, suppose it is PRAFFUL and Sharma. Okay, then what will you do? Like, this is the problem. Like on PAN card it is Praful Sharma, on mark sheet there is a double F. Okay, so if something is not matching, then you should have support documents and affidavit. Okay, support documents and affidavit. Now let's understand about it. Okay, suppose there are some small mistakes. Maybe the date of birth is not matching with your mark sheet, with your PAN card, mark sheet and PAN card. If the name spelling is not matching properly, okay, then there will be some supporting documents should be there. Okay, like suppose your actual name is like this, which is Praful Sharma. Okay, there should be some government document which should have this name apart from PAN card, because PAN card is your original document which is used for your verification. If some other document have this name, okay, you can use that document as a support document and you can create an affidavit. Affidavit create creating a affidavit is very simple. You can go to the uh, your local high court shops. Okay, if there is court in your district, in your city, so in your local high court, where will be your local high court? Okay, high court, there will be a lot of photocopy shops, or there will be some similar shops for creating the documents. They will create your affidavit. Okay, and with supporting document they can create a affidavit that my original name is this one. So that affidavit will actually support your original name which is present in your PAN card. In PAN card the name should be fine. Okay, suppose in any other document, for an example, in your mark sheet there is a mistake. Okay, then you can submit your other document. Okay, and you can submit an affidavit that this name is original name which present you. Okay, which presents you. So that kind of document you need to submit with affidavit. Okay, then Aadhaar and PAN details, again an important thing. See, they, if Aadhaar mainly used for address verification, address verification. Okay, and initially there are chances that they will be not asking your Aadhaar card. In the first document verification, most probably there are chances that they will be asking your semester wise mark sheet, and they will be matching the semester wise mark sheet for the verification if you are meeting the minimum eligibility criteria, if your passing year is same as you mentioned on the portal. Also, like, they will check the semester wise mark sheet with the details you have entered on the portal. Also, they will check against your PAN card. Okay, if anything bad happens like mismatch or something, I already told you what kind of options are there. Okay, you can submit the affidavit for that. Okay, if there are mismatch in Aadhaar and PAN, okay, maybe they will doing this verification, which is address verification, before your onboarding. Okay, it's a later on part. But see, if your addresses are different, or in the address in the Aadhaar card, because Aadhaar card mainly they use for address verification, so you have a lot of time, like 1 to 2 months easily you have. And address verification is a not a big deal. You can change the address. Okay, if your address is not correct. Okay, so you can give your Aadhaar card for the address verification. Apart from this, if there are any mismatches, again it totally depends if the company is accepting the affidavit for a Aadhaar card, or they are asking to recorrect the Aadhaar card and upload it again, because I cannot guarantee in the Aadhaar card that they will be accepting the affidavit or not. Maybe Aadhaar card is important document for address verification. They will be asking you that okay, you can recorrect your Aadhaar card in 1 month and you can submit after 1 month. But that will delay your onboarding, and even it is very risky in the case of Accenture, because suppose they are providing you onboarding in the month of April, then maybe because of this small issue they will provide you onboarding in August or September or maybe in November. So no one wants that thing, right? So make sure you have time, you can submit this document for the correction. Okay, so this problem also can come. Now talking about the small mistakes like a space or supporting document, like see, sometime what happens, that very small mistakes, like in your father name there's a little mismatch, like extra f, extra space, or sorry, these kind of small mistakes. Okay, if these kind of small mistakes you have, okay, the chances is Accenture will accept the affidavit. Okay, Accenture will accept the affidavit, that you can, as I told you, you can go to the local high court shops, you can create an affidavit that maybe the Accenture will accept. But if there are some very big mismatch, suppose the date of birth, if the date of birth is different, or the date of birth is not updated in your Aadhaar card, in your PAN card, these are the big mistakes. Okay, so these mistakes will be non-avoidable and these can create problem. I'm just telling you so that you will not face any problem in future. Okay, so affidavit can like resolve small issues related to like minor mistakes, but if there are some very big mismatches, that definitely can create the problem. Okay, so these will be the things which you need to keep in your mind. I hope I clarified everything. Thank you so much for watching.